Jatiyo Kubi Kazi Nazrul Islam Bishwavidyalaya Career Club for this amazing program. I hope Jatiyo Kubi Kazi Nazrul Islam Career Club will make it continue for the benefits of our upcoming members who will get benefited by this innovative program. And to be honest, I have learned many things from this program, and I hope it will help me in my private sector to get job and in my Viva actually, cause I have learned many pros and cons from about Viva from this competition, and that is really fantastic to get advice from the countries leading HRs from many different countries like Marico, Nogod, RSPL, Menso, and many more. And thank you so much for Jatiyo Kubi Kazi Nazrul Islam Bishwavidyalaya Career Club for this such an innovative program. Thank you so much.
Hello viewers, I'm El Action, second runner-up of Let's Crack the Interview Board Competition 2021. Well, to be honest, my experience was superb. It was an exciting experience. Through this competition, I have learned lots of things, and for the first time of my life, I got the opportunity to face the interview board and explore myself in front of amazing judges. So that was really priceless. And it must have to be mentioned that our senior brothers have groomed us and helped us in many ways to take the preparation for this competition. So they deserve million thanks from us. And I'm also really pleased to be able to work with organizing team, and obviously lots of thanks to JKK and ACC for providing us this great opportunity and for engaging our mind. And I'm glad I made it to the end. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Zunaid Kobir Jahin. I recently participated in Let's Crack the Interview Board organized by JKK and IOCC. Thanks to Jatiyo Kubi Kazi Nazrul Islam University Career Club for organizing such an amazing event. For me, it was real eye-opener. It changed my perspective on modern day competitive job sectors. To be very frank, at first, I was skeptical of the chance I had to do well in this competition. But then I saw the result and I was mystified. The joy of being first runner-up of such event is inexplicable. For this, I would love to thank Haidar Ali Khan Roni Bhai and Rahat Talukdar Bhai for their amazing, informative grooming sessions, tips and tricks. These 7 days of this event, it was very soulful. I learned a lot. I talked to seniors and I got to know their view about life. They suggested me different things, and they suggested me how to answer in Vivas, how to face professional HRs. Without all these people, it wouldn't have been possible for me to come this far and crack this event. So I'm grateful to everyone. Thank you.
Let's Crack the Interview Board was an incredible journey for me. At first, where I was confused about participating, I ended up being a champion. And here it is. We have a successful event which gave a lot of experiences to a lot of people and gave them a precious memory and a lot of learnings. If I talk about me, from the first session to the end of the ending of the competition, it was an incredible journey for me and gave a lot of experience. I was excited, I was thrilled about the result, and the result came out very good, mashallah. Finally, I want to thank everyone of Jatiyo Kubi Kazi Nazrul Islam University Career Club for organizing such an event.